they give us an expression and then we need to factorize it like this. We find that there are two terms. You may expand it one by one and then finally you factorize it. Or if you realize that this is 3 to 2 and this is 3 to 2 also. Therefore, we should extract the common factor for the second term. We have negative 2a or 3a plus 2b. Then we realize that this bracket is finally the same as this bracket, so it gives us a great help when we factorize it. We take out the common factor and then put it in left hand side. And then we prepare bracket to write down what is left. From the first term, we remove this bracket, so only this term is left. And then the second term, we remove this bracket, so only negative 2a is left. And then we find out any like terms in the bracket. Because this is nothing outside, so we just simply ignore the bracket. 4a minus 2a, we get 2a minus 5b. So it gives us the answer directly. Or you may expand it, but it's a little bit more time consuming. If we expand it, we have 3a times the second bracket. We have positive 2b times the second bracket. We finish this half first. We expand it and then simplify it. We still have the second term, so we have negative 6a squared. We have negative a times 4b, negative 4ab. We find some like terms, a squared and a squared, ab and ab, so we can combine them. It gives us 6a squared minus 11ab. And then minus 10b squared. Then you may factorize this one, but because both 6 and 10 have lots of combination from factors, so it's made difficult to handle. You should use cross method to consider the first term and also the last term. And then what give you 6a squared? You have a combination also the same for the last term, and then you test whether the middle term is the same as negative 11. I try 3a times 2a, and then for 10 I know the combination is 2 times 5, so I choose negative 2b and positive 5b. See what we will have. We will have 15ab minus 4ab is equal to positive 11ab. Even though it's not exactly the same, but it's quite close, so I just swap the position of the negative sign. This become positive and then this become negative. And test once again, we have negative 15ab, positive 4ab. So it gives you negative 11ab here. So this is correct guessing. We know the factor is 3a plus 2b. And the second factor is 2a minus 5b. If you use your calculator formula 1, then you get, for example, x. The calculator will give you x is equal to negative 2 over 3. Then you change it 3x equal to negative 2 and 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So, but this case is talking a and b, so we have 3a plus 2b. So another root will give you x is equal to 5 over 2. So we have 2x equal to 5, 2x minus 5 is one of the factor. Again, change it to a and b. So this is some sidetrack that you can guess the answer by using your formula 01. But of course, the best method is to factorize it, to extract the common factor first.